What's up guys, welcome and welcome back again to our channel, All Things With Us. So as you can see on the screen, I'm just showing you these two tables and I'm going to be showing you in this video how I did make them, so stay tuned. Anyway, welcome and welcome back, and if you're new here, feel much welcome in our channel, All Things With Us. Feel free in our channel, you can visit our channel, watch more of our content, like the videos, comment on them, share with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe and hitting the notification bell down below. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back, watching our videos, liking them and commenting on them. I really do appreciate your continued support. So in today's video, I'm just going to be showing you how to make these coffee tables, and I'm going to be making one in black and the other one in white. And I suggest that you can tell me in the comment section which one is your favorite. Both the tables, making them was a bit easy for me, and making them was the same procedure or just the same steps, and I'm just going to be showing you how I did start till the end of the video, or till the end of the product, as you have seen it in the beginning of the video. So kindly watch the video till the end. Don't forget to comment on it, like it, and share with your friends and family. So as you have seen throughout till this part here, I'm just using simple tools and materials. That is the hammer, the nails, pieces of wood, and the diameter for these pieces here that I'm using is around 16 inches, if I'm not wrong. It was 16 inches, and I'm going to be wrapping this fluted panel that I made using a CNC machine, but I didn't record that part. But if you want to achieve these straight lines and neat work, you need to use a CNC. You can just visit any shop that deals with CNC to make this panel for you. So after that, I'm going to be using wood glue to apply around the circles, or the pieces of wood that I've cut in circles, and then I'm going to be nailing down this fluted piece of board that I did use. So this fluted piece, I did use 9 millimeters. Also these round ones are 9 millimeters, and you use wood glue, also the nails, as you can see on the screen. So there is nothing complicated making this one, and then after that you'll just see the process as I explain each and every step as the videos goes. And after all that, this is what I achieved. And then the height of this structure here that you see on the screen was 18 inches. And then the top that I'm going to be using, it was a round MDF. It's a 3/4 MDF board, this one, and it has a 70 centimeters diameter. Then this was the second one, because as I have told you, I was making a white and black table. So this was the second table. Basically, it's the same procedure. So you can just watch how I did make the second one. Then after that, you can just prime the structures of the tables, and I did prime them, as you can see, and we are going to be continuing priming them. And then after priming them, we are going now to paint one in white, also the other one in black. And I hope you have enjoyed this video till this far. If you have, kindly like it, comment on it, tell me what you think about the video. Don't forget to share with your friends and family. Thank you so much, and I'm going to be uploading another video showing you how I did make another two types of tables. They are a bit complicated, and structure wise they are very, very beautiful. So make sure you have subscribed to my channel, you have hit the notification bell, so that when I upload that other video, you'll see how I did make the other tables. See you in my next video. Thank you so much.